Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Uh, We have completed our two tutorials where in first tutorial we have seen the interface of the CATIA and in second tutorial we learned about the line command and profile command. So today we are going to learn circle command in CATIA Cloud. So for that again we are going to enter into the sketcher workbench. So by selecting the position sketch, we just click on position sketch and choose any one of the plane in which you feel like working. Like I am choosing YZ plane. So now we came to the normal to the plane. And we have learned this line command and profile tool. Now we are going to create a circle. How we can create a circle in cloud CATIA. So we'll choose this circle command. In circle we have plenty of options, so we'll see one by one each and every, but at present we'll start with circle command with the coordinate points. So circle, once we'll choose the circle, it is asking for the circle center, you can see. So wherever I'll click, it will take it as a circle center. Now it is asking for next point on circle. So wherever I'll click, it will give me a next point on circle. Now I want to make it fully defined. So in that case, what I'll do, I'll just select the center of the circle and center of the GUI. And we'll go on constraint define in dialog box and make it coincidence. By doing this, we can see the position of the circle has been defined. Now the circle can't move. The only thing can be done is we can change the radius of the circle. So now we are going to freeze this radius as well. So click on constraint, click on circle and click. Now I want to give the dia as to be 100. So you can see how easily we can create a circle in Cloud CATIA. Now again we'll go to the circle command. Here you can see tool palette as well. Suppose if I want to define my circle with the help of tool palette, in this condition what will say, I'll say my center is on 10 coordinate of H horizontal and 20 coordinate of vertical and the radius of my circle is 50 and enter. Now you can see a predefined circle has been created. So like this we can create a circle according to our requirements or as per our drawing. Now I want to delete this, so in that case what we'll do, we'll just select the entire entity in a dialog box and press delete. The whole entity will get deleted. Now 3-point circle. Suppose there is one triangle and I am making it fully defined. So I'm just making it this and this to be coincidence and I'm choosing this and this to be midpoint because I want symmetry of this line and I want to define this line, I want to define this line and this point also in the same linear coordinates. Now I'll give the length of the circle and length of this also. Not this, but now what do I want? I want a circle which is passing those 3 points. So now I have a particular condition where I want to create a circle which should pass with this triangle. That means I want to create a circumscribed circle in a triangle. So for that we have a direct option in CATIA where we can use 3-point circle. These options are just to make our work easier. Suppose if I want a circle, if I know the radius, then I will go for the very first option, that is this one. If I know that my circle supposed to pass with these 3 points, in that condition we will use these 3-point circle. So to make our work easier, we have so many options and we are learning these options as per their specification only, so that we can understand our tool very much. Clear? You can see how easily I can make a circle with the help of this 3-point circle option. Now I want to delete this circle. Now we'll go on the second point, third or fourth option, that is tritangent circle. Now my condition is I want a circle which is inscribed in a particular triangle. So in that case we will choose this option, tritangent circle, first tangent, second tangent, third tangent. You can create a circle. We will see this command again. Tritangent circle, first option, second option, third option. You can see selection of the line is not a constraint. You can choose according to your convenience. I have in the first option I have chosen this as first, second, third, and in second one I choose this. So hardly matters. Only the thing is the selection should be correct. The circle will be created when a tangent it is there. So for these two commands, you can see there is only one finite solution. For the very first option, we have plenty of solutions. Like if I want a circle which is supposed to be started from here and here, you can see. So like this we can create our circle as per our uses. Now we have circle using coordinate. This option we have already checked with the help of tool palette, but here the tool palette is not coming. Here it is coming like this. So you can choose according to the Cartesian or polar, whatever the dimensions or whatever the inputs you have, you can choose accordingly. Like I want to create a horizontal coordinate as 100, vertical coordinate as 50 and radius as 40. You can see my circle has been created with the help of this coordinate. So this option is same as whatever we are using with the help of tool palette. Now my circle command is over. Now we will go for a 3-point arc. So if I want to create an arc which passes through these 3 points, you can see as per my selection, the option of making arc will be different. So according to your selections, you can create a circle, a arc as per your requirement. Now 3-point arc starting with limits points. So limit point is first point and second point. These 2 points has been taken as a chord of the circle. Now the third point will define the radius of the circle. You can see. Suppose this is my chord length. So I'll take 3-point arc starting with limits, first point, second point, and you can see according to the arc, if I want to make it half, then my diameter, this chord will work as a diameter. It can be any, it can be the shortest chord or the longest chord. It totally depends upon your selection. Whatever the selection you will choose, you will get the circle according to your dimensions. Now arc with center point, second point will make the radius of the circle and up to which angle you want to create a arc. you can choose. So as per the input, you can choose the selections. Now the last option is ellipse. As we know very well that ellipse is created with the help of major axis and minor axis. The same thing we'll do here also. When we will, I'm just deleting this one. We'll go to the ellipse, first point, second point. Now it has taken the one axis. Now the second axis will decide whether the first one is major or minor. Suppose I am giving lesser value, then first axis will behave as a major axis, and if I am giving the higher value, then first axis will behave as a minor axis. So we can create ellipse so easily. I hope you understand all these command of circle, and in case if you find any doubt, you can write in the comment section so that I can get back to you and can resolve your doubts as well. And if you like my channel, then please do like and subscribe my channel so that I can share more and more videos with you. Now I am going to we will work on one exercise where we are going to use this profile command, which we have already done, and this circle command. So in profile command also we have seen one thing. We can create a line, but in tool palette you can see there are two more options. If I want a profile but with a continuous arc on it, then we'll choose this, and again by default you'll come to the, now I want an arc but the arc should not be the tangent one. In that case we will use this option. So by this we can create a profile command with a combination of line and arc. So now we are going to do this exercise where we are going to use profile command, line command and arc. So for this we'll come to this window and we'll select the profile toolbar. One thing, whenever we start a drawing, always consider one point as the zero of the GUI. Like in this drawing, I have considered this point as the zero of the GUI. That means the drawing center and zero is common in both the. So we'll choose the same. Now I'll just first create a profile. The way the profile looks like. Now I want an arc, so I'll choose this option, and again a straight line, then again an arc, so I can create a profile like this. So now we'll check about the dimensions. So this is 100, this is 150. We'll do the same here. Select the constraint command, choose the bottom line and the center of the circle and give the dimension. So this is 100. Now this and this and this is 150. You can see my drawing has been changed a lot because the dimension earlier was a little bit on the higher side. You can see I'm just doing Control Z. This was not 100, actually this dimension was, you can see again, this is 500, this is 568, this is 137 radius, and this is 1. Now if I am going to change individually, then in that case what will happen? See, my drawing get disturbed, so we'll not understand the things. So in this case what we can do, we can edit multi constraints. We can edit all these dimensions all together with the help of edit multi constraints. And what we'll do, like you can see I am in the first selection bar and it is selecting on the blue. That means first one represent this dimension. So what is initial value? 78.574. Current value I want to make it 20 because in the drawing it is mentioned 20. You can see radius 20. So again now we'll work for the second dimension. This is 20. We'll come to this dimension. This is radius 25. And we'll come to this dimension. This is 150. So you can see the initial value and the current value has been changed. Initial value has been changed to the current value which I have defined. Okay. Now you can see my drawing is much easier to edit or modify. Now what we have to do? We have to select this center point and the center of the GUI with the help of control button. Now we'll go on constraint define in dialog box and make it coincidence. Now you can see my whole drawing is on green except this line. So after moving we came to know that this is not a vertical line. If we are making it vertical, then my complete drawing will become fully defined. So I'll select this line. We'll go on constraint define in dialog box and make it vertical. Now you can see my drawing is completely green. Now what we'll do? We will create two circles. So one circle I'll just create here. The dimension of this circle is dia 25. Now I know that this circle and this circle is having same center. So I purposely created far from the drawing just to show you concentric command, how to use concentric command. So now what I want the circle of dia, this circle which is of dia 25 and this circle which is of dia 50 are having same center. So what I'll do, I'll select both the lines, both the arcs or one circle and an arc, and we'll go on constraint define in dialog box and choose the option concentricity and make it OK. Now you can see the concentricity icon is there and my drawing is fully defined. Again we will see here. So the radius of this circle is, dia of the circle is 40, 20 and this circle are having same center. So I have selected both with the help of control button and now I'm just clicking on constraint define in dialog box and make it concentricity. So you can see how easily we have created this drawing. Now one thing has been left. This arc. So this arc we can create with the help of this. I have created this circle and now what I want and know that this circle is of radius 40. So I'll just make it radius 40. Select this. Now you can see it is displaying dia 44 but I have to give radius 40. So in that condition just double click on this dimension, click on radius. In the dimension drop menu you can see radius option. Just give radius and now give radius here as 40 sorry. So now this circle has been created and now what we'll do, we'll select this circle and this line. Because in the drawing we can easily understand that they both are tangent to each other. So I am just giving a tangent command from the constraint toolbar to make it tangent to the line. So what we'll do, select both the items with the help of control button, go in constraint define in dialog box and you can see tangency constraint is there. Just click over here. Now again on the other side, in the horizontal side also we have to do the same thing. Now, I don't want the extra portion. So in that condition, what we'll do, we have a command named quick trim. Quick trim is a command where we can delete the unwanted portion in an intersection portion area. Like this is an intersection. So what we'll do, I'll just click on quick trim. I don't want this particular area, select on that particular side. I don't want this one, select on the area where we don't want and select this. So now you can see your drawing is complete. You can see the drawing has been completed and this is the drawing which we want. Fine. I hope you like this video. Now we'll get back to other videos with other more commands. Till the time, please do like and subscribe my channel, and in case you find any doubt, please write in the comment section.